कोड़ीएटा क्वेश्चन अच्छी कंप्यूटर को लेकिन किए फुल मार्क आनिब देखा केते मार्क आसुची देखिए www stands for what?
World Wide Web.
What is the full form of USB?
Universal Serial Bus.
Universal Serial Bus. What does C represent in MICR?
No. Character. Character.
Character. What does ALGOL acronym for?
Um,
ALGOL. ALGOL.
um,
Algorithmic language. What does PDA stand for? PDA.
Portable Document are
कौन? Personal digital data assistant. Digital assistant. Personal digital assistant. What does CPU stand for?
Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. What does KB stand for? KB.
Kilobyte.
Kilobyte. What does CD-ROM stand for?
Compact. um,
Compact disc.
CD-ROM. Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. What does BIT stand for? BIT. Binary digit. What does ISP stand for?
Internet Service Provider.
Internet Service Provider. What does WIMP stand for? WIMP.
um,
Window Icon Menu Pointer. Window Icon Menu Pointer. What does OCR stand for?
Optical Character Recognition.
Optical Character Recognition. What does VGA stand for?
Visual
VGA.
Visual Graphic Interface.
Graphics Array.
Video Graphics Array. Video Graphics Array. What does ERP stand for? ERP. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. What does CRT stand for? CRT.
Cathode ray tube.
Cathode Ray Tube. What does LAN stand for?
Local area network.
Local Area Network. What does RAM stand for?
Random
Random
access
Access
memory.
Memory.
Random Access Memory. What does LSI stand for?
Large Circuit Integration. Large Circuit Integration.
Large Scale Integration. Large Scale Integration. What does EPROM stand for?
Erasable programmable ROM.
ROM.
Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. केते मार्क आसिला
15. 15.
15. What does C stand for in CPU?
Central.
Central. What does VIROS stand for?
Vital Information Resource Under Siege.
Vital Information Resource Under Siege. What does ASCII stand for? ASCII. ASCII.
American Standard.
American
American Standard System.
American
ASCII.
Standard Code of Information Interchange.
बिल्कुल American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Trend Micro is a what? Trend micro. Virus program, antivirus software, just a program, all of these.
Program.
Trend micro,
Just a program.
antivirus software. Trend micro is an antivirus software. Which virus spreads in application software? Macro virus, file virus, boot virus, antivirus.
File virus.
Spreads in application software. Macro virus. Macro virus. What does it called? It is a self-replicating program that infects computer and spreads by inserting copies of itself into other executable code or document. It is a
Worm.
self-replicating program that infects
Worm.
computer
Worm.
and spreads by inserting copies of itself into other executable code or document. Options are keylogger, worm, virus, cracker.
Worm.
Worm.
worm बिल्कुल worm. Which of the following is a key function of firewall? Deleting, moving, copying, monitoring.
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 Monitoring. Dash is a form of virus explicitly designed to hide itself from detection by antivirus software. Dash is a form of virus explicitly designed to hide itself from detection by antivirus software. Macrovirus, parasitic virus, stealth virus, polymorphic virus.
Stealth virus.
Stealth virus.
Parasitic virus. Parasitic virus is a form of virus explicitly designed to hide itself from detection by antivirus software. A hacker contacts your phone or emails and attempts to acquire your password. It is called what? Spoofing, phishing, spamming, bugging.
Phishing.
Phishing.
बहुत बढ़िया. Phishing. phishing. A dash is anything that can cause harm. Vulnerability, phishing, threat, spoof.
Vulnerability.
Vulnerability.
बिल्कुल. Vulnerability is anything that can cause harm. You can protect sensitive data from prying eyes using what? File permission, encryption, password, file lock.
Encryption.
Prying
ଆଉ
eyes
ଥରେ
ମାନେ କ'ଣ? Prying eyes ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି. You can protect sensitive data from prying eyes using what?
ତାହେଲେ ଆଣ୍ଟିଭାଇରସ
ଅନ୍ୟ କାହାଠୁ ଦେଖିବା.
Answer ହେଉଛି file permission. Prying eyes ମାନେ କ'ଣ କେଜାଣି? A person who uses his expertise to gain access to other people's computers to get information illegally is a what? Analyst, spammer, hacker, programmer.
hacker.
Hacker.
Hacker बिल्कुल. Which bar is usually located below the title bar that provides categorized options? Menu bar, toolbar, scroll bar, status bar.
Toolbar.
Located below title bar
Menu bar.
that provides categorized options. Menu bar. Menu bar. How many types of cell references are available in Excel? 3, 4, 8, 10. 3.
E.
3 types of.
ସେଟା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ?
କ'ଣ ଥାଏ ରାଜେଶ କୁହ?
सेल रेफरेंस एगुड़ा सेल रो नेम जो तो कोऑर्डिनेशन जो दियन सेगुड़ा
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ମତେ କାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛ?
आउट रे छ
The word dash means a collection of program, information, software, hardware, compact.
Information. Information.
Collection of
सॉफ्टवेयर
programs, software. Which of the following is not an open source software? Linux, MS Office, Android, Mozilla Firefox.
लिनक्स
Next office.
MS Office,
Mozilla Firefox.
closed office source software. GUI in context of computer stands for what?
Graphic
Graphical
user
user
interface.
Graphical user interface.
user interface
First GUI was designed by whom? Apple, Microsoft, Xerox Corporation, Dell Corporation.
Apple.
Microsoft.
Xerox Corporation.
Xerox.
Xerox Corporation. अरे Xerox भी गोटे कंपनी अछि कि?
हाँ
Dash means that their source code is not available. Dash means fireware, freeware, freefall, firmware.
Firmware.
Source code is not available. Freeware. Freeware software can be used by users for free, and there is no limit on downloading it. It means their source code is not available. In relation to email service, what does POP stand for? POP. Popular Office Protocol, Post Organization Protocol, Post Office Protocol, Primary Organization
पोस्ट ऑफिस प्रोटोकॉल पोस्ट ऑफिस
Post
प्रोटोकॉल
Office Protocol. बिल्कुल. Which of the following is not an email related protocol? POP, FTP, IMAP, SMTP.
आई एम
आई
INTP.
आईएमटीपी
POP, FTP, IMAP, SMTP.
एफटीपी
FTP.
File
FTP is
transfer.
not related to
फाइल
email.
ट्रांसफर
It is file transfer protocol. Which of the following space cannot be left blank while composing and sending emails? Subject field, CC field, to field, BCC field.
टू
Two.
फील्ड
टू फिर
बिल्कुल पठेला बेले टू ही नथिबो हेले काहाकु जीवो तो टू फील्ड कैन नॉट बी लेफ्ट ब्लैंक फ्रॉम टू डेट एंड सब्जेक्ट fields in an email are called what? Email header, email greeting, email info, email starter.
इन्फो मेल इन्फो
इन्फो
Email header from to date and subject in email are called email header. Which with which protocol only one mailbox can be created on the server? With which protocol only one mailbox can be created on the servers? FTP, SMTP, POP, IMAP.
पीओपी
Post office protocol. बिल्कुल. With the help of this protocol you can create mailbox on server. Which of the following is the correct form of an email address? କହିବ ramesh.coldmail ramesh coldmail.com coldmail.com @ramesh ramesh @http www.coldmail.com
एटा
ramesh @coldmail.com
एटा लास्ट
लास्ट
last
Ramesh@coldmail.com.
ramesh @coldmail.com ଏଇଟା କରେକ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଇମେଲ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଆଉ ସବୁ ରଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା which of the following is a valid email ID abc-def@gmail.com, abc-def@gmail.com, abc@def@gmail.com, abc.def@gmail.com.
लास्ट
लास्ट
बिल्कुल लास्ट टाइम।
नहीं तो
मशा कहीं कामुड़िले मशा कामुड़िले .@ रही परिवो स्पेस रही परिवनी। Which of the following website does not provide email service? http://www.gmail.com, http://www.yahoo.com, www.hotmail.com, www.website.com.
ये लास्ट
लास्ट टा
website.com last
website.com
website.com भी था कि किछि
फास्ट टा की
तो
last हबो
सबु हबो खाली website.com
सब
email provide करेनी। In general, which folder is used to store incoming emails? Spam, inbox, outbox, sent.
इनबॉक्स
इनबॉक्स
inbox
Inbox, बिल्कुल। Once an email has been sent, it is moved from which folder to which folder? Option हिसाब रे कहबो। Outbox folder to sent folder, outbox folder to inbox folder, inbox folder to outbox folder, inbox folder to sent folder.
outbox to
आउटबॉक्स
send folder
outbox to send
आउटबॉक्स टू सेंड
बिल्कुल ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଠା ହେଉଥାଏ ପ୍ରୋସେସିଂ ଥାଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉଟବକ୍ସରେ ଶୋ କରେ ସେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଗଲେ ସେଟା ସେଣ୍ଟରେ ଶୋ କରିବ ସେଣ୍ଟ ଫୋଲ୍ଡର। ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରେଜ ଏରିଆ ଅଫ୍ ଇମେଲ ମେସେଜେସ୍ କଲ୍ଡ? ଫୋଲ୍ଡର, ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟୋରୀ, ମେଲ୍ ବକ୍ସ, ହାର୍ଡ ଡିସ୍କ।
मेल बॉक्स
mailbox
Mail box is the storage area of email messages. If an email is written and not sent to any user, in which folder it is normally stored?
ड्राफ्ट
outbox
draft
Inbox,
Draft.
draft,
draft
archive, draft,
Draft.
बिल्कुल draft.
draft
We can send the same email to multiple people at once with their email addresses separated by which sign? Dollar sign, comma sign, hash sign, colon sign.
hash
comma
colon
कमा
comma दे देकिना हमको email address enter करिया पड़े. We can send the same email to multiple people at once with their email addresses separated by comma. ମଶା କ'ଣ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲେ ଏତେ ଜୋର ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି। କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛି
ଆଜି ଭୋକ ଲାଗୁଛି
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ମଶାକୁ।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲାଣି
ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଲା ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ତାଙ୍କୁ। How many days will picture message stay in the private inbox?
30 डेज
बहुत बढ़िया। Picture message will remain in private inbox for 30 days. In Gmail, when you want to apply a label to meeting invitations and skip sending them to the inbox, we use which option? If you want to skip sending meeting invitations to inbox, you will need to create a what? Add-on, label, filter, meet.
लेवल
लेवल
If you want to skip sending meeting invitations to the inbox, you will need to create a filter. First check the attachments box, then click create filter. Then check the box that applies label and automatically shortens कम कर दिए incoming event response message. So you have to create a filter. Ray Tomlinson is created with dash sending the first email, development of internet, creation of first computer, invention of calculator.
options
Sending the first email, also known as inventor of email. ଶୁଭୁଛି ତ?
आगे
ये
ହଁ
Which of the following is a free email service provider? Hotmail, Redimail, Yahoo, all of these.
all
All
of
of
these
All of these. Which type of files can be sent by email attachment? Text file only, audio file only, video file only, all of these.
all
All
of
of
these.
All of these, बिल्कुल. Email attachment is what? Receipt sent by the recipient, list of recipients, a document from another program that is networked with email on cellular network, to whom email is sent regularly.
Third से document.
बिल्कुल. Email attachment is a document or tool in an email box to browse for files from other program and send them as emails. Which protocol allows a work station? দরকার নেই. Which category of files is generally not allowed to be sent as email? .rar, .doc, .exe, .zip.
আর
RAR की एटा.
Executable files are not allowed.
ओहो
.exe,
EXE
.exe or .bin
EXE
files are not allowed to be sent as email or
EXE
attachment.
फाइल जाय परियो.
कौन
EXE फाइल तो जाए ना कौन.
जाउथिबो किंतु allowed नुह.
अच्छा.
The BCC option available while sending an email means what? Blank copy,
blind
blank
carbon copy.
blank carbon copy, blind carbon
Yes.
copy, blind copy,
Yes.
Blind
blind
carbon
carbon copy.
blind carbon copy. What does CC denote while sending an email? Common copy, complete copy, carbon copy, communication copy.
carbon copy.
Carbon copy.
Carbon copy. What is required to send email? Floppy, document, pen drive, email ID.
Email ID.
Email ID, बिल्कुल. How many attachments we can send through email? We cannot send attachment. We can send only one attachment. We can send only two attachments. We can send many attachments.
Many.
Last option.
attachment.
Many attempts.
Many. Which is an attack in which a user receives an unsolicited amount of email? Spoofing,
Spam.
smurfing,
Oh.
ping storm, email bomb.
Spoofing.
Email bomb. Email bomb, BOMB, is an attack in which a user receives an unwanted amount of email. What does IRC stand for? Internet reply chat, internet relay chat, internet real time chat, none of these.
Real time
Real
chat.
time sir.
Internet relay chat. What is chatting? An internet standard, a real time conversation, internet area where any topic can be discussed, any files over the network.
Real time
Third
chat.
option. Third option.
Real
Real
time
time.
chat.
Real time.
9. Internet area where any topic can be discussed. Real time conversation तो सेमती बसिकी भी कथा हेबाटा हिजबो.
अच्छा हाँ. ओवर इंटरनेट थिले ही परथांता एटा.
हाँ, से वार्ड टा नहीं माने हबनी. What facilitates remote login on a computer? RTP, FTP, HTTP, Telnet.
Telnet.
Telnet. Telnet.
It's remote login on a computer. Telnet, बिल्कुल. Telnet means what? Telephone, television network, teletype network, telefax network.
Television network.
Telephone network.
Telephone network.
World Wide Web was invented by whom? Alan Blumlein, Tim Berners-Lee, Tomlinson,
Berners-Lee.
David Brewster.
Tim
Tim Berners-Lee, बिल्कुल. In which year www was invented? 1989, 1986, 1987, 1988.
86.
1989. Who is considered as father of WWW?
Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners-Lee. To retrieve information from server, which HTTP request type is used? Patch, put, get, post.
Get.
To retrieve information from server, get method of HTTP request is used. Get method. HTTP www.reddit.com is a what? Email address, internet address, website, internet application.
Email address.
Application.
internet
Website, website.
ଆର୍ଥରେଟ୍ ନଥିଲା କି?
HTTP ଲାଗିଲା ପା ହଁ କଣ?
ସରି ଭାବିଦେଲି।
Website, website. The process of publishing original content on the internet is called what? Community publishing, digital publishing, web publishing, desktop publishing.
web
Web publishing.
Web
Digital
publishing,
publishing.
बिल्कुल. Web publishing is the process of publishing original content on the internet. What is URL? A web browser, a search
Unif-
engine, a computer software, address of the web page displayed on the internet.
Address.
Address of the web page.
Address of the web page displayed on the internet. କୋଉଠୁ କେଜାଣି ମଶା କିଏ ପଠେଇଲା କହିଲ?
ଏଠି ବି କାମୁଡୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଆମକୁ ବି କାମୁଡୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଭଲ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ମାଗୁଥିଲି। Next. Choose odd one out. Cyberspace, HTML, internet, www.
Hashtag.
Which is odd one out? Cyberspace, HTML, internet, www.
ସାଇବର
Cyberspace.
HTML. HTML is a computer language. All others are related to network. Whereas HTML is a computer language. A person who uses a computer to cause harm to people or destroy critical system is called what? Black hat hacker, hacktivist, cyber cracker, cyber terrorist.
साइबर टेररिस्ट।
Cyber
Black
terrorist, बिल्कुल cyber terrorist. A person who uses a computer to cause harm to people or destroy critical system. Error number dash indicates that a specific URL has been renamed or has become non-existent. 401, 402, 404, 405.
404
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଏଟା ତ
402
ଏଟା ଫରେଭର ମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଟା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି ଦେଖିଥିବ ନାଇଁ 404 not found 404 not found ଦେଖିନ